How's it going, everyone? And today we're gonna continue on with Gorgar. 1979 Williams. We got our playfield all done. I got it covered up because today we're going to be working on the face of our back box here. Yes, I could have put the glass in it, but I didn't because we're going to be working underneath. We're going to be working on the playfield, testing switches and all that too later on. So it's right now we're just going to cover up our playfield and work on our back box panel. We need to get it all cleaned up and new light bulbs put in it and check our displays. I do know this one, we need to work on that. Somebody had duct tape on it to hold it. So we're going to fix that. What I am going to do is we're going to take all the light bulbs out of it and clean all the sockets. I'm going to take all the displays out, including the main, and that way I'll get rid of those so when I'm cleaning I'm not messing up anything. We'll take our wire tamers off so we can pull all the wires off of it and clean everything up. Now I mark these, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 displays. That way I can put them right back in because if you remember, I can turn it on for a little bit. I don't want to keep too much heat under that blanket. You can see we have a segment missing on our 3 and 4. So I want to put them right back in the same place so we can figure out what's going on. I may pull one and move it up and see if the segment does work. If it does, then we know we need to check on our main display board. And just at a quick glance, I think there's 2 resistors that are puked out on it. You can see that second one from the end looks like it has taken a dump, and there's one right there in the middle that it's got a white spot on it. I think that one has taken a dump, and that could be our missing segment, but we'll look it up and see. There's 3 different types of displays in here. You have the number 1 is one type. There's no little dimple in the center like there is on 3 and 4. So those 2 are different, and this one has a lighter PCB board on it, and it's, you can see this is labeled the Williams Electronics. And this one has those 2 have different stickers. Those are 11096s. And the one is it looks like a 247 blah, 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 blah. That's what that one looks like. So somebody has been working over the displays. There's a couple canards missing off of them. We'll see if we can round up the right canards. And the main display board, these are what they call satellite boards. Everything is run off of this main display board, and somebody's got some silicone all goobered up, probably because the LCD was coming loose. But anyway, that's beside the point. That'll be later on in this video. Maybe we'll get into that. But what we're going to do is we need to get everything taken off of it, all the light bulbs and everything, so we can clean this board all up. We need to get a molding put in here and get everything all painted up so the back box is all done and ready for our back glass, which we have to do some work on our back glass as well, which we will at some point. But for right now, I am going to go ahead and strip everything off of that back board and start getting it cleaned up. Okay, I'm gonna We'll start with our displays. We'll get these all taken off. Okay. I don't know what the hell that was. Oh. Lock washer. You can see we got quite a bit of mold under. Everything. And so that's why I'm taking everything off and cleaning it. Plus you get it cleaned up and get it white. The light bulbs, it just makes everything a little brighter. You may not think it does, but you know, white is reflective, so it helps. I know I don't have any of these Canucks. These wee small ones. But I think I do have some that will fit. Yeah, see, this one has the tube on the back for the plasma. So this is a plasma display, and the other ones, I don't know if those are LEDs or what. See, that's another plasma. Okay, I think we can leave our wires right on the main and just disconnect the ones that come through the back box from our MPU. Man, I haven't found one of these yet that was tight. I mean, yeah, I know they're... Come on, get out of there. See, instead of we can just set him off to the side. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Now I'll get all these nasty bulbs out of here. This one's not good. Hope I got enough light bulbs. Another one that's broke. Oh, there's another one. It's like a lot of these copper colored ones are kind of might be the original bulbs because they're falling apart. Ugh. Okay, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crud cutter and spray it on my scratchy pad. And then we'll just take our rag. Brightening up. not perfect, but you know, I got the mold off of it, and that was the big thing I wanted to do, was just get some of that nastiness off of it and some of the mold, so it looks a lot better. I mean, nobody's gonna see it except us, but like I said, the brighter they are, the better your light bulbs will brighten, will light up. So let's see. I see some of these are little loosey goosey. So we'll go like that one. We'll go around and tighten all these up. So we don't have our displays wobbling all over the place. There we go. Yep, those are plastics, and those, just tighten them up by hand. There we go. All right, now I'll clean all the sockets and get light bulbs put in it, and then we can start putting our displays back in. This one I think we'll take over to the bench and see if we can't do something with this ugly thing. So let me get busy and I'll get the sockets cleaned and light bulbs put in. Alright, let's see what we can do with this display. It's kind of not good for it to keep bouncing it off the counter. Now, I'm sure there's supposed to be a cushion. That's what I'm thinking. But another piece of tape right there. Now, can we? Not yet. I want to get that pulled away. Like so. Still got a little bit of a little sticky to it. I know, as everybody is cringing. But it's no good the way it is. See, that's what we want. If we can get it to lay down flat. And I know I want to keep that cushion. Kind of helps it, but if we just put tape, put two-sided tape here, it's gonna do the same thing. It's just gonna kind of start opening up like that again. See, it's just going to do that. I've got one lousy spot holding it. Right there. Let's see. Go ahead. You can cringe. Is that hung staying on all the way around that knob? Yep. Okay. Well then. How about we clean that and put some tape, put some two-sided tape on both sides. The two-sided tape's not thick, so I think we can What do you think? Everybody cringing? Smells good. Yeah, I know, but how does it taste? Okay, now the fun part. Yeah, too late. It's stuck. Come on. Ignorant little piece of baklava. See if I can find a corner to get it going. That board's warped. I don't know how long that's going to stay for us. See it separating a little bit right there. If I would have known that, I could have doubled up on our tape and kind of made it a little thicker. It may pop off of there anyway. We'll see how long it lasts. Again, may have to buy another, get a display for it. Kind of hate to. That one works, and we'll use it as long as we can. I know some people it'd drive them nuts and they just have to have a new one, but you know, I hate to junk something that's still working. Okay, before I put number 2 back up there, let's unplug number 3 and plug it into number 2. And see if our segment's out. Yep, same segment's out on the 2, and 2 is good. So we know it's on our main driver, on our main board. It's on the master display. So we're going to have to do some work on our master display. Isn't that special? It's just all kinds of special. Okay, we got her all cleaned up. All the bulbs changed out. Our display's kind of fixed up. And we got one bulb here that's... There we go. Yep, there's another one. This little guy back here is so hidden. I'm gonna have to get after him. But see, now our high score lights are coming on. And those weren't. Okay. Now we need to get our molding put up in there. And it's getting kind of late, so I'm going in the house. And I'll get back on that tomorrow. We'll get this back box finished up. That looks better. I got the... Let's see, I got my little molding put up in here and painted black. Got that all done. Touched up the back box all around the frame. And I did that over there too, that side. Got it all pushed back over. So again, kind of jammed up a little bit. Trying to get some stuff done. But now we got that all taken care of. I think I can go ahead and put my canuts back in. Looks like my tape job's going to hold. And I'll put all the nuts in there, and then we'll do some work on that during troubleshooting. Right now we're going to start working on the back glass. I could go ahead and spray it and kind of keep everything that is on there, but I think even if I spray clear coat, these little, see these little bubbles there, they'll stay humped up, and you're still going to see all that spider webbing. Still all going to be there. Or I can just take my brush, knock them off, and then fill it in a little bit, which I think I'm going to do. I'm going to save this back glass and use it for a while because I have other things that I have to spend money on. So right now I need to just kind of not spend as much money as I have been. So here's what we're going to do. I know I'm going to make a lot of people cringe. And a lot more work doing it this way, but I think in the long run it's gonna, I think it'll look okay. As long as I can get my red close and get Gorgar done. But yeah, so now first thing I'm gonna do is I want to do my red. Red's going to be the easiest because you know, you can see the red, what red has to be done. So first of all, we're going to see if I can't get a decent red to match that.